Let's apply the chain rule to some trig functions. For my first case, let's consider f of x equal to sine x to the fourth power plus cosine of 4x. First thing we want to do, rewrite the sine x to the fourth power so that it looks like a clear inside and a clear outside. Now, once I've done that, we'll let u be equal to my inside. So that'll be u equals sine x. U prime is going to be equal to cosine x, the derivative of sine x. On the other side, okay, let's take a look. Going to take the derivative. So we have u to the fourth. It's just going to be 4 times u cubed. We take 1 off the exponent, multiply that by u prime. So now I just stick in for u and u prime. That's going to give me 4 sine cubed x times cosine x. For the cosine 4x, this one you could probably get by without doing the u substitution. With the derivative of cosine, which is minus sine, put my 4x back in, then I just multiply by derivative of 4x, which is 4. So that's going to give me the minus 4 sine of 4x. And then, since I can't simplify anymore, that's going to be my answer. For our next example, let's consider f of x equal to secant of x squared plus x plus 1. U is going to be equal to our inside, so u is x squared plus x plus 1. U prime is going to be equal to 2x plus 1. So I want to take the derivative of secant of u. So that's going to be, okay, derivative of secant is secant times tangent. So we'll have secant u times tangent u times u prime. Okay, u is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. U prime is equal to 2x plus 1. So we stick them back in, and then I get my answer. Secant x squared plus x plus 1, tangent x squared plus x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Finally, let's take a look at f of x equal to sine of cosine of x. Our inside here is going to be u equal to cosine x. U prime is going to be equal to the derivative of that, so it'll be minus sine x. So what are we going to do? We're looking at derivative of sine of u. Derivative of sine is cosine, so I'll have cosine of u times u prime. So if I just stick things back in, we'll have cosine of x times u prime, which is minus sine of x. Okay, I can pull the minus sine of x out in front, so we'll have minus sine x cosine of x. And then we can't simplify that anymore. That's just cosine composed with itself. It's not a cosine squared or anything that we know how to deal with.